Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 E350 4MATIC. This one's a steel gray metallic. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the luxury package with comfort suspension, luxury exterior and interior, Mercedes emblem on the hood, 17-inch multi-spoke aluminum wheels, a gray MB text interior with a burl walnut trim, sunroof, E350 4MATIC badging, comfort box for extra storage, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, premium one package with blind spot assist, lane and tracking package with lane keep assist, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for infotainment center. This E-Class has 79,670 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.